Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do a mix and match with linear equations. If you've seen the previous graphing videos for slope-intercept form and standard form, today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So what's our goal? Our goal is to match the letters that go together. So you can have it on its own, pair of two, or three letters that go together. So I'll do a couple examples and then you guys can do some practice. So example 1, match. So A, B, C, and D. So we notice that A and D both have B equals 3, right? The y-intercept of 3 here and y-intercept at y equals 3 here. So A and D go together. B, we have our equation in standard form. We're going to rewrite it in slope-intercept form. So we're going to go plus 3x to both sides. And so we have y equals 3x minus 1. And from here, we see that the slope is 3. And C also says slope of 3. So B and C go together. Example 2, match. So we have A, B, C, D, and E. So from A, y is equals 6 over 10x minus 2. This reduces to 3 over 5x minus 2. So the slope is 3 over 5. From B, we have rise of 3, run of 5, which gives a slope of 3 over 5. And so A and B have the same slope. And so A and B go together. C, we have B equals 2. From D, we have standard form here, so we're going to rewrite it. We can go minus 2x on both sides, so we have 3y equals 6 minus 2x. Divide by 3 on both sides, and so we have y equals 6 minus 2x over 3 like that. And when we have common denominators, we split, but we're used to putting it together, right? So we can do both. We can put them together like that, but we can go in the other direction and separate them. And so that's what we're going to do here. 6 over 3 minus 2 over 3x like that. I'm going to rewrite that as negative 2 over 3x plus 2 like that. And so we notice that the y-intercept is also 2. So C and D go together. E, m equals 5, slope equals 5. We have nothing over here that has slope equals 5. So E is going to be on its own. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 1, match A, B, C, or D. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So from B, we have this equation, and so our y-intercept is 3. From C, our y-intercept is 3 like that, so B and C go together. From A, we have slope is 4. And from D, we have 1 over 4x as the slope, so they're not the same. So A is on its own, and D is on its own. Okay, practice number 2. Match A, B, C, D, and E. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So what do we have? A, we start at 0, 3, right? X 0, y is 3, like that. So our B is 3. We notice that we're increasing by 4 for every x, so our slope is 4. And so when we look at C, y equals 4x plus 3, this matches. The slope is 4 and the y-intercept is 3 for both of them. So A and C go together. Now let's look at D and C here. 5, 1. We're going to see if it's a solution to equation number C. So we plug in x equals 5 and we get 23. And we're supposed to get 1. So 5, 1 is not a solution for C. Let's try EC. Let's see if E fits in C like that. So we have minus 1, minus 1. So we're going to plug in x equals minus 1 into our equation. And we get minus 1, which is the y value it's supposed to be. So E and C go together. So instead of just AC, it's ACE, like that. Now let's see if D, like this, right, can go into our B equation. So we're plugging in 5 into our equation right here. And so we get 2 over 5 times 5 minus 1 gives 2 minus 1 gives 1. It's supposed to be 1. Perfect. So B and D go together. Okay. Last practice here. So we have A, B, C, D, and E, like that. Go ahead and pause the video and match. Okay, we're back. So from C, if we have x equals 0, our y is negative 2. If we have y equals 0, we get x equals 3, like that. So 0, negative 2, and 3, 0 go together. And that's what the table B here is. So B and C go together. We're going to do the same thing for the equation in E. If x is 0, we get y equals 4. If y equals 0, we get x equals 3. And this is the same thing as our A. So A and E go together. Just like that. And so for D, we have this other equation here. We notice that 0, 4 is the solution, right? Because it's the y-intercept, like that. And so maybe D and A go together, but it's not, because the slope here is 3, it's positive, and we see this slope is a negative slope going down like that. And so D is on its own. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.